Okay, so we're on the rinse here now, so let me move this stuff front and center. What am I going off on these obscure weird angles for? There, you can kind of see what we're doing there. So just giving them a rinse with the water. Where's another towel, shop towel? There's one there. There's another one. So we'll dump them there. And like I say earlier, you know, part of the cleaning process is that sometimes they don't all come clean the first time, but before they go back on that machine, they will be clean, you know. And I'm getting the bigger pieces here first. And I'm going to leave those other ones in the water, and I'm going to get these ones dried off and give them the low blow and high blow. So this one's wiped down. This one's wiped down. This little one's wiped down now. And so there's an oil port right, well, that's not an oil port, that's for a screw, I think, but there's an oil port right here. So we're going to put as much oil as we can on this thing, even though it's still going to be blow dry. That's okay. You know what, I'm going to wipe this one down before I drown it in oil. Especially the oil port for that bearing. Shake the oil and then put it on. It's going to get oiled again anyway after it's blow dry, but I don't want any flash rust to spontaneously pop up. Oh, what am I doing putting it over there? It hasn't been blown dry yet. I hear some banging. They must be fixing the plumbing to get the water going again. Okay. Let me wipe these off, even though they're nice and oily. Oopsie daisy. We'll get any residue water with them as well. And now we'll get the drying machine. We're going to do the oil thing again. So that's done. And these are all going to have to be wiped again because I'm putting on too much oil, because I want to make sure that in the case that there is water, residual water left, if I didn't get it with the hair dryer, then the oil will get it. And at least mix with it. And what will it accomplish? Maybe prevent flash rust, or rust it, you know, entirely. So that's done. That one's done too. I think we had already said this one was done, but we'll give them a wipe again. And you know what? I think I want to give that one a blow dry. I do. So that fell out of there. That fell out of there. Fair enough. Nice. Shake the oil. There's another screw there. There's 2 screws on this device. So I will be redoing that one for sure. So far so good. We continue. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Why did that start to fall over? What the hell's going on here? So, there's a spring there. There's a little screw there. There's a little screw there. So we'll put it on low. No, we won't. We'll mop it off. Yeah, we'll mop it off. Quickly, one at a time. These two that go on the motor mount. And then this little spring. And those little screws. So, we're gonna go low blow, and I'm gonna hold this and try and prevent everything from blowing away. So now we're gonna move into the oiling phase. I want to look at this guy quickly and get that screw out of there. And it's coming out. And I want to get that screw out of there. And it's coming undone. So, and right now, this will be the first one I oil up. It's still going to be washed later, because there's a little bit of grunge on there. But these parts are going to be, they're not going to rust or flash rust or anything, because they're going to be fine and greasy. This one goes down here, in there. So, put that one there. Grease, grease, grease. Grease, grease, grease. That's greasy. That's greasy. Whoopsie daisy. It's greasy. It's greasy. So we're getting nice and oily. And then they'll get a wipe down. Numerous wipe downs, because it's oil. One wipe down doesn't do it. Oops, see daisy. Oh, I see a washer down there too. Well, it's good I dropped that. So let me get my magnet wand. Well, my magic wand. My magnet wand is my magic wand. Can I get the washer? So it's not a magnetic washer. But I'll throw it in there anyway. And now where did my screw, oh there it is there. Well that I was able to pick up. So I'm going to continue along wiping these things down and starting to get things ready for an assembly. And that'll be in a few minutes from now. I'm going to take a break, and I'll be tidying up a little bit now that I don't need the crud cutter and the water and all that stuff. And I hope you guys are getting some value and some building your knowledge base here with the machines. And that's what these machines are. The purpose they serve is as a teaching tool, as a demonstration tool. So, you know, you can sit at home with your machine or in your office or your workshop or wherever, and I can do it here, and we can work through it together and learn together. I love these 306s. Love these 306s. Another one came up for sale, but it's 5 hours away, one way. So 4 hours away one way, 5 hours away. It's in Belleville. It's too far. Anyway, my friends, all the best, and we will continue with our restoration.